RPQ is a triangle, right angle at Q. If PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and RQ is equal to 10 centimeter, find 1 sin P, 2 cos square R and tan R, 3 sin P into cos P, 4 sin square P minus cos square P. Triangle RPQ, right angled at Q. For angle P, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, that is equal to base. RQ is equal to 10 centimeter, that is equal to vertical side. PR is hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square is equal to PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, that is 5 whole square. QR is equal to 10 centimeter, that is 10 whole square, is equal to 5 whole square is equal to 25, 10 whole square is equal to 100, is equal to 125. PR is equal to root of 125 is equal to root 25 into root 5 is equal to 5 root 5. H is equal to 5 root 5. That is hypotenuse is equal to 5 root 5. Sin P is equal to vertical side by hypotenuse, that is equal to 10 divided by 5 root 5, that is equal to 2 divided by root 5. Cos P is equal to base by hypotenuse is equal to 5 divided by 5 root 5 is equal to 1 by root 5. Triangle RQP, right angle at Q. PQ is equal to 5 centimeters. QR is equal to 10 centimeter. For angle R, QR is equal to 10 centimeter is equal to base. PQ is equal to 5 centimeter is equal to vertical side. PR is equal to hypotenuse, that is equal to 5 root 5. Cos R is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is equal to 10 divided by 5 root 5 is equal to 2 by root 5. Tan R is equal to vertical side by base, that is equal to 5 divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 2. 1. Sin P is equal to 2 by root 5. 2. Cos square R is equal to 2 by root 5 whole square is equal to 4 by 5. Tan R is equal to 1 by 2. 3. Sin P into cos P is equal to 2 by root 5 into 1 by root 5 is equal to 2 by 5. 4. Sin square P minus cos square P is equal to 2 by root 5 whole square, that is 4 by 5, minus 1 by root 5 whole square, that is 1 by 5, is equal to 3 divided by 5.